guys, I know we haven't posted in a while, but we came back with another video. And we are gonna open this.
What is this?
And I don't know how to read cursive.
What is that? That's a Blume. B-L-U-M-E. Blume.
Hold on, guys. We're gonna need some scissors.
We don't need scissors, do we?
But for real, we actually need scissors.
Why?
There's no line. It's just.
Oh. So you gotta get the stuff prepared, baby.
I will go.
On momento. Go.
So, this is a bloom, like we said. It says, just add water. A new friend will bloom before your eyes. It says, wow. Wow. Here. That's what. That wows. Includes doll with mix and match accessories.
All right.
And we got our
scissors in here.
Our safety scissors.
Yep.
It's hard.
That's not how you hold them. Thumb going. Yeah, there you go. You got to tilt it. You got it?
I'm seeing if I can pull. Okay, we're gonna have to cut some more.
Okay. Away from your body. We're giving safety lessons as well on scissor safety.
Here we go. We unwrap the top. Now we just gotta unwrap the bottom. Are you still recording this?
Go.
Hey guys, we're back. We unwrapped my.
Okay, we got the tape off.
We need to go put water in here, I think. Yeah, we need to go put water in here to pour on it. So I'm gonna be back with the water.
All right.
Hey guys, we're back. Let's put some water in here.
You explain to what you're doing?
So we're gonna put this, and we're gonna pour the water on that.
Okay. Can you move the water out the way before you make a mess?
And it says,
Do you have enough?
you know, I put some in here. And
It says remove the top. Okay. What is that?
we gotta put the water. So are we're ready? We need the water.
Oh, it's growing. It's growing. It's alive.
I'm gonna make it more room.
Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that. Put some more water on there. On the opposite side, though. Don't put it on the side that's coming up. Yeah.
Oh, put some more.
It's blooming. Just like a flower.
Yeah, that's why it's called a bloom.
It stopped. Come on, it need more water.
Wait.
Don't force it. Give it more water. Yeah, it's coming. It's got to push its way through.
Yeah, it stopped growing.
It need more water.
Put more water over here.
It's still coming.
Oh.
I see it. It's pushing out. See?
There we go.
Yeah.
And now put more water. Let's see if it moves more.
It slowed down. Did it slow down?
No, it's the same.
Give it some more.
That's why I got the whole thing of water in this cup. Now we're Should we try to pull it out?
Go ahead.
See if
Let's see. I don't know.
it's
This is blind. Oh,
yes,
okay
it's
then.
coming.
That was awesome though. It
Okay,
shoot up like
let's
that.
Put the hair back on. Her.
Oh,
Here we go.
sorry.
And there's some accessories down here. We gotta get the rest of this off. So let's see this here. Can we pull out this? Can we? No, we can't. There's stuff down there.
You can open from the sides.
Yeah, how? How do you?
Pull it apart.
Really cool when you
Go.
see it back in. Hey guys, so we got this open. There's 3 things. And let's see. Let's take this off. Because it's kind of sticking to it. Here we go. Let's take this out. And let's take. Let's pull it. Let's take. Ooh, guess what we got? We got this purse. Oh, this is open. Ooh, look. This is her pet, I think. And this. We're gonna have to take them out. 'Cause I think this is gonna be a bigger one. Oh, here we go. Whoa! There's so much stuff in this one. Here we go. Let's take this out. There's something else. Ooh, what are these? Shoes! And is there something else? No, these are all. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff. Let's get her dressed. But let's take off the hair.
We'll find out who you got first.
How? Oh yeah. And we're gonna see who I got.
Who was our Blume surprise?
We can tell by the hair. Her name is Reese.
Reese.
She has a cake hair.
Mm-hmm.
She has a cake wig. Look at all the other characters you can collect.
Got it. All right. Let's put Reese together. Get her fabuloso.
Okay, so put this up.
The young minds at work. Beautiful.
And scoot it, and try to press it down. Yes, I did this part.
What is that, her skirt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now time to put on the shirt. Which her hands gotta be out. Whoa, these are actually like real life hands. Okay. Ooh, and they're pretty bendy. And bend it right. It seems that she really likes pink. You know, dropped the shoe. But that's alright. Oh my gosh, I dropped it again. Let's see which foot this goes on. I think it goes on this one. Yeah, it goes on this one. And this one goes on this one. And this goes on her arm. What does she look like here? Ooh, She looks nice here. I like some of the other characters. They look very pretty.
Not a wig.
And this is how she looks. I'm walking down the down street. My pet is on my cake.
Awesome.
On
Oh,
my
that's a
way.
pet?
Guess so.
What is that? What is he?
I think it's her pet.
What is he, though? What is that?
Ice cream sandwich.
That's an ice cream sandwich. All right, Reese with the ice cream sandwich pet. All right.
Yeah,
Anything
that's
else?
her pets. Look,
We're back.
we're back, guys, and look at this.
Here go Reese with a pet.
Yeah, her pet's right here, laying down. I'm gonna get it, but
And we got a special treat for you guys before we leave.
I'm gonna play this instrument.
They're gonna play her ukulele.
Yeah,
She's gonna sing us, well, play us out. Go ahead. You gonna sing a song for the people? You're gonna tell them to thank you for watching our videos and please subscribe.
Please leave a like and subscribe. That would be very nice. Please like and share and subscribe.
Peace. To the next video. Later.